The error code E000074002 occurs when the primary unit or ITB is not in a good position, resulting in a lack of communication between the unit and the machine. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including a problem with the connection in the ITB unit, a faulty connection between the ITB and the DC controller interface, a problematic primary belt, damaged gears in the ITB, or the need for machine maintenance. To resolve this error code, it is recommended to service the machine, carefully examining it to identify any parts that require servicing or replacement. It is highly advisable to seek professional help, paying particular attention to components such as the fuser unit, rollers, developer unit, and toner drum unit, as these are often replaced to clear the error. Once all necessary parts have been inspected and replaced as needed, the error can be cleared. Additionally, replacing the gear primary belt, checking the connections, and verifying the condition of the gear in the ITB are crucial steps in resolving the issue. If the gear is damaged, it should be replaced, and any faulty connections in the ITB or between the ITB and DC controller interface should be corrected. By taking these steps, the error code E000074002 can be effectively resolved.